You know what? I am gassed! Yo, I'm getting some new shoes for the Supra, yo. I already had a set, but yeah, I wasn't happy with them. But we'll show you them anyway, and we might go to the beach. Keep tuned, check it out. We're gonna get some epic footage, yo. Cheers! Man is gassed! These rims, yeah, the new shoes for the Supra, wow! They look amazing. I'll put it up against it. You lot are going to be gassed as well, yo. Who else actually uses their Supra to actually collect other things? Anyways, apart from that, we're en route. We're going to the beach now. We got the drone. We're going to get some epic footage. Cheers! Let's do this. Are you kidding me? You won't even let me take off. Authorised. Gold. You know what? I've got the front wheels on. I'm gassed. You lot ready?